Hi everyone, John Matthews here with Adventure Awaits World Travel. And this week we get to look at a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda aboard the beautiful Disney Wish, the newest ship in the Disney Cruise Line fleet. It's a beautiful stateroom aboard a gorgeous ship with all the Disney touches you would expect, and all the Disney entertainment and characters. So when you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks! Hi everyone, this is John Matthews with Adventure Awaits World Travel, and we just arrived aboard the Disney Wish for our first voyage on this ship, and we are in a Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom with Veranda. So let's take a look. We're just thrilled to be here. It's a beautiful ship. You can see everybody's boarding. You come into the stateroom, and as usual with Disney, it's a beautiful, spacious stateroom. We have a queen bed and beautiful artwork on the wall. This room is themed for Tiana, so you can see Tiana and the prince there and all the animals and beautiful artwork. I have these lovely sconces on either side of the bed that are individually controlled with dimmers and a reading light. You can move around as well. And light switches and storage on either side of the bed. And the beds are lofted, so you can store your luggage underneath the bed. It does have an adjoining door, so you can have adjoining staterooms. If you have friends or family, we're on board with our 2 daughters, so we're thrilled to be here. It has a beautiful flat screen TV right up against the wall. It does not adjust. And a lovely seating area. Another night table with adjustable lights as well. More beautiful artwork. There's Tiana again in her gown. This sofa is actually a single sleeper sofa bed. And we have this lovely little coffee table that you can move, so I'll move it out of the way. And this bed just folds right down. It's very clever and a very comfortable single twin bed. So, a great idea. Disney does a great job with this sort of thing. Let's put it right back up and back to a sofa. This is a pull down upper bunk. It's another upper bunk that they pull down in the evening, so you can sleep 4 people in this beautiful stateroom. We also have these really cool curtains that separate the bed from the rest of the sleeping area. So you just take it off the hook like that, and you can pull the curtain across to give you more privacy when you're sleeping over compared to where the children are, if you have children traveling with you. Or if one person wakes up early and the other one wants to sleep. So, very nice feature. You have a beautiful desk with lovely backlit mirror. And there's the phone. It's up against the wall, so it's kind of tucked out of the way. Got plenty of light switches. Oh, and lots of plugs. There's all kinds of plugs over here. US plugs and international plugs and USB plugs. And plenty of storage. All kinds of drawers. Oh, and there's a little mini fridge right here to keep your beverages or food cold. More storage. More drawers. So just a beautiful stateroom. And more plugs over here on the other side of the bed. And then, as I said, we do have a veranda. So come outside. We are in Port Canaveral today, and it's a beautiful sunny day in Florida. Come out and you have this lovely veranda with 2 deck chairs with the Disney Cruise Line logo on them. And a little coffee table, so you can enjoy the beverage or food of your choice as you watch the world go by. And as I said, we're in Port Canaveral, so they're busy getting ready to go and loading people's luggage. So it's a little noisy, but still a beautiful day. And you can open up the doors on the balconies, so you can have adjoining balconies as well. So coming back into the stateroom, these lovely gifts for us as Castaway Club members. If you're a previous guest on Disney Cruise Line, you automatically become a Castaway Club member, and they leave you a lanyard and a little backpack. This is one of the bathrooms. The Deluxe Veranda staterooms have the split balcony, so you can see you have a full-length mirror right there, a beautiful soaking tub and shower combination. with the shower wand and all the H2O amenities, and a nice single vanity with plenty of storage racks on the side and storage underneath. So plenty of storage, and a nice backlit mirror as well. And then the other side of the split bathroom is over here. So you have two people using the bathroom or getting ready at the same time. So you have the facilities, another single vanity, another backlit mirror, more storage racks on either side, and hangers for your towels, and more storage under the vanity, and little lights underneath, which is just beautiful. And then last but not least, you have this nice big closet just inside the door that automatically lights up. So plenty of hanging space, nice wood hangers, a nice big tall closet, and there's the life vests. And then at the next section, the nice drawers slide nicely, so don't take up any space and they're nice and quiet. Have your laundry bags, have a safe for your valuables, more storage, and the last section of the closet with more storage space and this beautiful ladder that's stowed out of the way when you don't need it, but is there to help your children get up into the upper bunk at night. So just a gorgeous stateroom. We're thrilled to be here aboard the Disney Wish for our 3-night Bahamas cruise, and we can't wait to explore the ship. When you're ready to book your next Disney cruise, contact us and we'll help make your dreams come true. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel and sign up for the free Adventure Club emails on our website. Thanks!